I'm attorney Rob Levine, the heavy hitter, here in Acushnet, Massachusetts. I'd like to talk to you about dog bites. Dogs truly tend to become part of the owner's family. They are great companions, but like any animal, they can be unpredictable. Every day, about 1,000 people in America are sent to the emergency room due to dog bites. If you were bitten or injured by someone else's dog, call me now at the number on your screen for a free consultation. I'm attorney Rob Levine, the heavy hitter, and I look forward to helping you get the money you deserve.